Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Turning Tool Review 2025.
Number 4.
The Descar WNMG080404, WNMG080408, and WNMG080412 LF3018 carbide inserts are 100% genuine and specially designed for cast iron machining. These CNC lathe turning blades offer excellent wear resistance, smooth cutting performance, and long tool life, ensuring high efficiency and precision in industrial applications.
Number 3.
Specifications. Hardness 95, origin Mainland China. Model number VNMG080408 PM4225. Brand name Dot Stripe. Material hard alloy. Coating
Number 2.
These two PCS-PCD lathe turning inserts, VCMT 160401/02/04/08/12, are ideal for precision CNC machining. Made from premium PCD diamond with carbide, they offer superior hardness, wear resistance, and long service life. Perfect for non-ferrous metals, composites, and high-speed finishing operations.
Number 1.
The TCMT 16T304 and TCMT 16T308 HMP 9030 carbide inserts are high-quality internal turning tools ideal for machining stainless steel. Designed for precision, they offer excellent wear resistance, sharp cutting performance, and long tool life. Suitable for various lathes, they ensure smooth, efficient metalworking operations.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.